Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw money from Kraken to LSSC. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and use Kraken to withdraw money to another wallet. So I'm gonna use my stable coins. I'm gonna use Tether USD, and under the balance you're gonna see deposit and withdraw. Just hit withdraw and select your network. Make sure it matches the one from LSSC. So I'm gonna use Tron, right? And into the amount in USDT. And if you have a wallet already, just go ahead and select your previous address. If you don't have one, just go ahead and add wallet address or add withdrawal address. And what we're gonna do, like in the screenshot, you're gonna add, you're gonna go ahead from your platform. You're gonna click the three bars at the top left, right? And you're gonna hit recharge, okay? And once you press recharge, you're gonna see multiple options, right? Like your account settings. Just hit withdraw under your rating, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna be directed to a page where you can recharge using USDT Polygon, USDT TRC20, USDC Polygon, USDT ERC20, ETH, and Bitcoin. Just select the second option, right? The Tron, like the one we used previously, and enter the amount in USD. And then afterwards, you're gonna just hit confirm, and an address will be generated automatically. And you're gonna copy that address and add it on Kraken. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.